Morning to my sweet students of class 6th. Welcome to English grammar class. Today in this video I am going to explain the 8th part of speech, that is interjections. So keep watching to clear your concept of interjections. So let's begin with the definition of interjections. So what are interjections? Words used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions. They are included in a sentence, usually at the start, to express a sentiment such as surprise, disgust. Disgust means dislike, joy means happiness, excitement, enthusiasm, or fear. So these all expressions are called interjections. Now, my dear children, can you see some of the interjection words? So, what is more important? Where to use these words? The uses of these interjection words, and where to use these interjection words properly. We can easily utilize in a proper manner and proper way in the sentences. Some types of interjections are interjection for greeting, interjection for joy, interjection for surprise, interjection for grief or pain. So let me explain you how to use these interjection. Now let's see some of the examples. Number 1, look out. This expression is used for warning, even for attention. Look out, you will fall in the pit. Number 2, shh. It is used for silence. When a child sleeps, how we use shh, the child is sleeping. Number 3, what? What expression is used for surprise or wonder? What? It is a brilliant idea. Number 4, of course. It is used for agreement. Agreement means when you are agree or it is acceptable. Of course, what you said is right. 5, alas. Alas is used for grief, that is for sorrow or pain. Alas, I have lost my purse. Number 6, ouch. Ouch is used for pain or discomfort. Discomfort means when you are not comfortable. Ouch, it is very boring. 7th, hooray. Hooray is used for joy, happiness, celebration. Hooray, I have won the match. 8th, wow. How and where it is used? Wow is used for amazement. Wow, how beautiful the natural scenery is. 9, oops. This expression is for sorry. Oops, it is my mistake. Number 10, awesome. For great surprise. Awesome, it is an excellent creation. Number 11, bravo. Bravo is for achievement, means something you have done well. Bravo. What is 6? 12th, good luck. Good luck is for good wishes. Good luck. We enjoyed interjections. Some more uses of interjection. Interjection of greeting. Hey, hello, hi. These are the short expressions used for greeting. Next, interjection of bidding farewell. Bye, goodbye, see ya. Some of the interjection words used to show joy or happiness, that is hooray, wow, yeah. Some of the interjection words used for approval or praise. Great, well done, brilliant, bravo. Now, some of the interjection words used to express sense of surprise. What? Ah. Oh. Wow. Some of the interjection words that shows pain, grief, ouch, ah, oh. I'm going to explain you some interjections can also be made up of more than one word. Good heavens, it is an expression used for surprise or anger. Oh dear is an expression used to show surprise. Oh no is used for alarm or any problem. How awful is an expression used when something is extremely bad or unpleasant. Good Lord is an expression used for surprise, shock or anger. How wonderful shows something extremely good. Now I'm going to explain exercise number 1 given in your English grammar textbook, chapter number 9, interjections. Match the following short expressions with their meanings. We have to match the given short expressions with their meanings. Number 1. Hi is used for welcome. Look out, warning. Hello, greetings. What? Surprise or wonder. Cheers for sharing joy. Shh or hush for sign for keeping quiet. Good luck for good wishes. Alas for grief. Ouch for pain or discomfort. Of course, agreement. So this was all for today, my dear children. Hope you have understood the concept of interjections and the use of interjection words. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless you all. Take care.